Hello everyone. Today's topic is abdominal aorta and its branches, and today's date is 12th of July 2020. And in this topic, I will explain something about abdominal aorta and its branches. So, firstly, this is the aorta, longest aorta, and its second, beside it is the inferior vena cava. Right side you can see the nerve locations, and left side I have labeled some of the parts in this diagram. So as you can see, it is the aorta, red one, and blue one is the inferior vena cava. So in the center part it is celiac, superior mesenteric artery, inferior mesenteric artery. So at the level of T12, inferior phrenic and superior suprarenal are bifurcated, and between T12 and L1, celiac and SMA are present. So above the superior mesenteric artery, middle suprarenal artery is get divided. So beneath the middle suprarenal, inferior suprarenal and renal arteries are present. So it is at the level of between level 1 and L2. So at the level of L2 and L3, gonadal artery is present. At the level of L3, IMA means inferior mesenteric artery is present. So next at the level of L4, so bifurcation occurs between L4 and L5. Some of the part structures I have mentioned. It is a right common iliac, it is a left common iliac. So right common iliac divides into right external iliac and right internal iliac. So middle is the median sacral artery. So in the left common iliac artery, it divides into left internal iliac artery and left external iliac artery. So this is the whole sum of abdominal aorta and its branches. So it is the next part. So what are the arteries supplying gastrointestinal are single and branches anteriorly. So arteries supplying non-GI means non-gastrointestinal are paired and branch laterally and posteriorly. So we will discuss something about syndromes regarding abdominal aorta. So first one is the superior mesenteric artery syndrome. It is characterized by intermittent intestinal obstruction symptoms, primarily postprandial pain. So when superior mesenteric artery and aorta compresses, so superior mesenteric artery and aorta compresses, transverse third portion of the duodenum. It is associated with diminished mesenteric fat, that is low body weight or malnutrition. Next one is the nutcracker syndrome. It is a compression of left renal vein between superior mesenteric artery and aorta. It is characterized by abdominal pain and gross hematuria. So I repeat, it is a compression of left renal vein between superior mesenteric artery and aorta. It is characterized by abdominal pain and gross hematuria. Superior mesenteric artery syndrome, it is caused by when superior mesenteric artery and aorta compresses transverse third portion of the duodenum. There are two areas supplying dual blood supply, that is distal arterial branches, that is splenic flexure. In this, superior mesenteric artery and inferior mesenteric artery are present. Rectosigmoid junction, that is last sigmoid arterial branch from inferior mesenteric artery and superior rectal artery. So I repeat, two areas are supplying dual blood supply, that is splenic flexure and rectosigmoid junction. Splenic flexure means superior mesenteric artery, inferior mesenteric artery. In the rectoid sigmoid junction, last sigmoid arterial branch from inferior mesenteric artery and superior rectal artery. So it is the last portion of abdominal aorta and its branches. So you can divide foregut, the main artery is celiac, and midgut is the superior mesenteric artery. So in the hindgut, inferior mesenteric artery. So parasympathetic innervation is for the foregut vagus, midgut vagus, and hindgut pelvis. So vertebral level. So for foregut, T12 or L1, midgut is the L1, hindgut is the L3. So what are the structures in foregut? Pharynx, lower esophagus to proximal duodenum, that and liver, So the liver, pancreas, gallbladder, and spleen. So midgut structures are distal duodenum to proximal 2/3 of transverse colon. So in the hindgut, distal 1/3 transverse colon to the upper portion of rectum. So this is the wholesome gastrointestinal blood supply and innervation. So thanks for watching this video. So I have liked this video. I